Hi, I'm Rich. I'm the canvas and framing specialist here at Jackson's. I'm in the Jackson's workshop where we make all your bespoke frames, canvases and panels. Our online Bespoke Frame Builder is designed as an affordable self-assembly system, so you can frame your artworks exactly how you want. We have carefully selected a fantastic range of mouldings in a variety of woods and finishes. We have frames for your panels, deep canvases and shallow canvases, which come in traditional styles as well as contemporary. We also offer glazing, window mounts and backing boards, basically anything and everything you need to frame your artwork. Every bespoke frame is professionally made right here in our workshop by our dedicated team.